Hey guys, I want to do a unboxing video real quick before I call it a night. I just got back from Tennessee and I got a couple boxes here. I know what they are. I just popped this one just to save myself the trouble on the video. I'm running out of light here, but I think I'll still be okay. So this is root beer from Curtis Smith in Texas. Beautiful stuff. Can't wait to get into some of this. Killer. Oh, heck yeah. Curtis always delivers. He's a very, very reputable rock seller. Nice. Looks like he cleaned them up really good. Removed any seams or cracks. Oh man, look at that little cookie. Boy, oh boy. And then this other box, you guys are gonna like this. I know I am. I'll take this up here. Probably should have opened it too. It's alright, I got flakes laying around here. That's an artifact there. That's patinated Horse Creek. Little stem point. I think that'll work. Oh yeah. Worked quite well actually. So these are Flint knapping books. And they're written by D.C. Waldorf. I think the illustrations, sorry about that. I think the illustrations are done by his wife, Valerie. This is late Paleo and early Archaic Lancelet, Dalton, and some other contemporary point types. So I ordered these two off one site. It's like a bunch of Scottsbluff, but it tells you all about the flaking and stuff. This is the one, Master Napper's Guide to Classic Archaic Points of the Midwest and Southern U.S. Some late Archaic, Woodland, and Mississippian points of the Midwest and Southern U.S. by D.C. Waldorf. Got a case of Lisdexia. So I got those three actually from one site. And then if you guys just go online and search these things, you'll find them. Flint Knapping Publications looks like is where I got it. But and then I had this one came a day or two earlier from another place. But same thing from D.C. Waldorf and Valerie, his wife. The Fluted Point Traditions of North America, Master Napper's Guide. So I thought those were pretty cool. I had never seen them anywhere else, and went ahead and ordered them. I think they're like 12 bucks a piece or $15 a piece. So not too bad. Looks like there's some really nice illustrations in there. Excellent. Excellent stuff. Cool beans. And also got me a Overstreet Guide 14th edition. Went ahead and broke down and bought me one. I used to have one a long time ago and got lost somewhere over the past 20 years. It'd be nice to have this stuff to reference while we're napping, or while I'm napping. Yeah, we're napping. All right, guys. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.